Welcome back, friends, to my Cybertruck journey. Today, I have a package in front of me that just might solve one of my biggest pet peeves about the Cybertruck. So let's go through and open up this package today, and let me show you what we have inside, and let me show you how I think this might solve my dislike and pet peeve about the visibility out of the back of the Cybertruck. So let's get this package open. First thing we find when we open up the package, we find this logo for Hansshow, who is the provider of this wonderful device that we're going to be looking at today. If you want to look up their products, here's their QR code. But today, we're going to be looking at this replacement rear view mirror that has cameras that will be able to look through the truck and out the back and give you a rear view from your rear view camera, even with the tonneau cover down and closed. So let's get this box opened up. Well, let's see what's inside. Again, this is the first time I've opened it up, so you'll be experiencing it as I do. So this appears to be some mounting hardware, a little pry tool, some adapter cables to adapt the power from the Cybertruck to the camera, a camera with a short mounting cable, probably for the front of the Cybertruck, another camera which probably will go somewhere facing the rear of the Cybertruck, and it has a short cable, but apparently it's a very small cable that you can run. And then here's some cable links that we can run through the Cybertruck to wherever we place the rear camera. So today, I don't know if we'll get to the point of mounting the camera in the Cybertruck. Let's take a look at the rear view mirror. First thing I notice is it's a very, very stable, rugged, looks pretty high quality, very high quality in fact, construction. We can peel this paper apart. And one of the first things that I notice is that it actually is a mirror. So it'll be interesting to see how the display works and then how the mirror part works when the display is not turned on. And there are 3 cables that come out of the rear view camera. Notably missing from the box is any instruction manual. So I presume we're going to have to go out to the URL indicated by this QR code in order to find the instructions. So I'm headed upstairs to the computer to go read the instructions about the Hansshow replacement backup mirror for the Cybertruck. So folks, I went upstairs and looked on the website at the QR code, and I did find a couple of videos on how to install the live view mirror in your Cybertruck. And I went out and started getting it installed. However, I ran into a little bit of a problem and lost one of the screws. So I'm not going to be able to show you the installation of the live view mirror today, but I wanted to go ahead and close out this video, let you know that I'm very excited to be getting that. As you know, it was one of my biggest pet peeves, not being able to see out the rear with the tonneau cover. That rear view mirror provided by Tesla was, as I've heard from other folks say, use the word janky. It's just plastic and barely qualifies as a rear view mirror. So getting this full-sized live view mirror and the rear view cameras established is going to be a fantastic thing, and I look forward to having that. I think it's going to solve a big problem with the Cybertruck. So tomorrow I'm going to take another shot at digging that screw out from under the seat. And hopefully I'll get finished getting it installed, and I'll get that video out with the installation, give you some tips and tricks to get it installed. So have a great evening. If you are interested in acquiring one of these for yourself, go out to the Hansshow website. It's right here on the QR code, and use my affiliate code MAX Q, Max Q, MAX, letter Q, and you'll get a 22% discount. So thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in tomorrow or the next day when I get the video posted on it being installed, and we can check it out driving around and see how it actually works in real life. So have a great evening. I'm going to go get this edited up and get it out so you can at least get a start on looking at this great new product from Hansshow. Thank you. Have a great evening. Be sure to like and subscribe.